One of the main challenges which affects port developers is understanding how the commercial designs for floating offshore wind structures are going to affect their operations.
Port developers need to think really early about the space that they require on the wet side for safely getting floating turbines in and out of the port. They're being fabricated and assembled in existing ports that have other operations going on, so it's absolutely critical that these turbines are brought in and out of those ports in a safe manner that doesn't impact on the existing operations within the port.
The big strength of HR Wallingford is that we've got a lot of different experts covering the whole of the kind of maritime spectra. So, as the engineers, we can pull on a lot of those expertise in different parts of the business to come up with some of those solutions. So we can go to the kind of meta-ocean specialists, we can go to our navigation specialists, we can run models in our own facilities, we can run simulations in our own facilities. So we can pull that knowledge together to try and come up with a solution.
Within the simulator, we can demonstrate how floating offshore wind structures can be manoeuvred within a port. But we also bring expertise in risk assessment, and we can help the ports understand not only the manoeuvring requirements and the number of tugs and the tidal windows and the environmental limitations for floating offshore wind. We can help them to develop a risk matrix and understanding of how floating offshore wind will impact their other areas of operations and the mitigations they need to begin to think about.
So the ability to be able to use a simulator first before actually going to the real world and constructing these ports has huge money-saving capabilities, whereas developing a port may be millions, if not billions of pounds. We can, on a much smaller financial scale, we can help the client to develop the port and find any sort of issues before it gets to that stage.
The team we have here at HR Wallingford is outstanding by any standards, so I can assure you this is the best place to come.